Welcome to Breathe Fit Studio, where we cut through the noise and help you build a body, mind, and life that actually works for you. Here, it's not just about lifting more or eating less. It's about breathing better, moving smarter, and staying consistent in a world full of distractions. But right now, I need to ask you something serious. Have you been working out, eating clean, yet still seeing no progress? That's not just frustrating, it's dangerous. Because over time, that feeling turns into doubt. And doubt? That's what kills consistency, not laziness. Today, I'll reveal the top 5 silent killers that ruin most workout plan. Mistake number 1. Going hard, then going home. Motivation spikes, and suddenly you're working out 6 days a week, eating 1,200 calories, and wondering why your body still feels like a potato. The truth? Doing too much, too soon is a fast track to quitting. You're not training for the Olympics. You're training for life. Build the habit first. Then chase intensity. Remember, even superheroes have origin stories. None of them started with 6-pack abs and a 400-pound deadlift. Mistake number 2. Skipping warm UPS like they're optional. Imagine starting your car in minus 10 degrees and flooring it. You'd blow the engine. That's exactly what you're doing when you skip warm-ups. You're signaling your body to perform without prep, and when it breaks down, it's not bad luck, it's bad planning. Take 5 minutes. Wake up your body. Get blood flowing. Then go beast mode. Mistake number 3. Only doing what you like. Love leg day but hate cardio? Or maybe it's the other way around. Doing only what's comfortable is a fast track to stagnation. Growth lives where discomfort begins. If your workouts feel easy, your results will be too. And in mistake number 5, I'll tell you the one silent killer of progress that almost no one talks about. Mistake number 4, ignoring recovery like you're a cyborg. Here's the cold truth. You don't grow while you train, you grow while you recover. But if you're sleeping 4 hours, chugging energy drinks, and still expecting gains, you're not building muscle. You're building fatigue. Sleep. Hydrate. Eat real food. Recovery is the secret weapon nobody flexes on Instagram. Your body's not a Tesla. You can't just plug it in for 10 minutes and expect a full charge. Mistake number 5. Not tracking a single thing. Here it is, the most common, most ignored mistake. Not tracking progress. No log. No plan. Just vibes. And then the self-doubt creeps in. Why am I not seeing results? Because you're not measuring them. What gets measured gets managed. And what gets managed grows. Track your workouts. Track your energy. Track your wins. Rep. We break it all down in this next video. If this hit home for you, don't stop here. Click the video on your screen now.